Hi everyone and very welcome to your channel. There are two questions which I get quite frequently on the channel on almost every second video. The first question is how to get free compute credits for GPU, and second question is as how to use massed compute. Massed compute are our friends who sponsor every video and every GPU and VM. Without them, I won't be able to create all of these videos on state of the art GPUs. So, huge thanks to them. If you are also looking to get discounted GPUs, please check the link in my video's description. Plus, with a coupon code of 50% discount, you won't be disappointed. But the question which I get about mass compute is as how to use them, how you can log in, and then how can you spin up a GPU machine so that you can also use it just like I do. So I will explain that shortly. But before that, I wanted to introduce you to this generative AI hackathon or Hacktober 2024, which I will be also a part of. So I will be one of the judges for this Hacktober. If you're looking to showcase your skill set which you have learned by watching my channel or any other channel or any other training you have obtained over the course of last few months, this is the way to go. Plus, to top it off, the icing on the cake is that you will get free compute credits if you win as a first place, second place, or third place. So what exactly this hackathon is? This is a competition presented by Massed Compute to celebrate Hacktoberfest. They are inviting creators, developers, researchers, hobbyists to showcase their skills in generating spooky Halloween inspired content using AI. Now, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the competition details, categories, prizes, and rules so you can get started on your entry. So, Mass Compute is offering $100 in free GPU compute credits to the winners of this exciting competition. To participate, all you need to do is to use the code GenAI Hacktober24 to receive 10% off any GPU reservation. No entry fee is required. Also, in order to enter this competition, you don't have to use their hardware. You can use your own hardware, you can use any hardware from any other provider. All you need to do is to create your entry, and I will shortly show you what sort of entry that would be, and then send it to them through email. So there are three categories which you can enter if you scroll through their website, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So first entry is that Halloween horoscope. This is primarily a text-based stuff where, it's an Halloween inspired image. So you can generate a Halloween inspired image using your favorite image generation application and model. And then second one is Tale from the Dark Side. You can create a scary story using a large language model of your choice. So this is a text-based story you can generate and submit it to them. And then they have this frightful feature. This is a multimodality. This combines an AI generated image or video with a spooky AI written story. So you can submit one entry per category, but for one category, only one entry, not more than one entry. So in total, you can feel free to submit 3 entries in total, one for each of these categories: for image, for text, and for image or text or video. So these are the prizes. So you see that the first prize is $100 free compute credit, second $50 free compute credit, and third one is $25 free compute credit in US dollars. The rules are very simple. No NSFW content, which means that not safe for work. So make sure that it is not any adult stuff or any harmful content. Keep it safe, keep it simple, and there shouldn't be any problem. No fee to enter. All you need to do is to send your creation to this email, which is competition@masscompute.com, with subject line Hacktober 2024 submission, and make sure to include the category in which you are competing in the body of the email. So submission deadline is October 25, 2024, and then they will be announcing the winner on Halloween Eve. So pretty interesting. I will be one of the judges. So my tips is that make sure that your entries make sense and they are cohesive. Also, bring something new and captivating to the table. You- Ensure your entry is technically sound. Also, I would suggest to make sure that you enjoy your own entry before submission. This is what I personally do. Whenever I'm taking part in any sort of these combinations, I try to, I create it and then I just put it for a few hours away. Then I revert back to it and check it out. If I enjoy it personally, it is good. If not, I start from scratch. So I wish you luck. I really, really encourage you to take part in it. This is another way of learning stuff. In my opinion, it is even more than winning free compute credits, which never hurt, by the way. But I'm more than sure you are going to learn a lot by just taking part in this Generative AI Hacktober 2024. So make sure that you do it, and I think it should be fun. I'm really looking forward to judging this. Really amazing stuff. Okay, so that is the intro to this Hacktober. Now, for the second part, let me show you how you can use a mass compute. And this is what I love about mass compute is that their interface is so simple. Let me take you there. So this is their main website, which I always show you in my videos. First step you need to do is if that click on login. If it is the first time, just log in with your email address, create a free account there. Once you have created it, you will be presented with this screen. This is the first screen where you will be landing. So in order to create a GPU based machine, all you need to do is to click on deploy from the left hand side, and you see that you have a lot of stuff available which you can rent from either GPU or even they have recently added CPU. And on CPU I think it is running Linux Mint, but I'm more towards this GPU. So select GPU and then you would need to see which GPU type you want to go. If you really are looking to save money, go for the spot instances. These are the discounted rate. The only thing is that they could be taken back with 1 hour notice, but for the rest of them they are dedicated to you. So I normally, if you are watching my videos, I normally go with this A600 NVIDIA RTX with 48 GB of VRAM, or you could go with H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. So this is how simple that is. So in order to get started, all you need to do, for example, I'll just say, okay, I'm going with NVIDIA RTX A6000, this one, and then I just want one quantity. In the category, make sure that you select creator, and I will tell you why. Just select creator here. So once you select creator, from the next drop down of the creator, just select my name, Fahad Mirza. As you can see here, I think you can't see it because this screen share doesn't show. Anyway, there will be a drop down. Just make sure you select my name, Fahad Mirza, and you will see my image appearing on the right hand side. And then you see there is a coupon code. For coupon code, so that you could get 50% discount, go back to my channel, just open any recent video, and you will see that there is this open coupon code here. Just the coupon code is Fahad Mirza selected. You can also directly go to this page by clicking on this link. Okay, so let's go back here, put the coupon code here, Fahad Mirza, click on verify, make sure you click on verify, and it will show you the green tick. Once that's done, just click on deploy. It is going to deploy the server. And then once it will deploy it will take you to this screen, and you can see that my server is being deployed. So I'm not it will be, when you will do it initially, it will be like initializing, and then when the status changes to running, which just takes few seconds, you would be able to use it. In order to use it, just click on this drop down arrow. This is the IP address, this is a username, and this is a password. Just launch any putty or any SSH client and then insert this IP, username, and password there. Or you could go with thin VC client, or what it is called, the thin link client, to in order to access the graphical user interface. So that's all you need to do. So this is how easy it is to use mass compute. If you're still struggling to use it, my comments are always open, check it out. Another cool thing is that You can click on this Discord on the top right. Mass Compute has a Discord. You go there and then you can ask them the question. They are very responsive, very helpful. I think you will enjoy the experience with them. This is I really like about them, that their support is very empathetic. They're always willing to help, in addition to very affordable pricing. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. But really, I mean, take part in this Hacktober, use mass compute resources to create it. It will be very affordable, I'm more than sure, and then showcase your creativity. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.